Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be another project share video, and this one is using the purse die, also from KSCRAFT. And this one's cute. It comes with the little zipper. It comes with this really cute bow that you can use brads to make the bow. It comes with the little tassel, and it comes with the box, a layering. Actually, certain things are sold separately. But if you want to buy the bundle, this is what the bundle looks like. So you get a lot of pieces. And let me show you real quick. I made this one. So this is the bow. And this is just a little brad. So it's very easy to put together. Look how cute is the back. Like, it looks like a real zipper. So then when you open this one, it opens like this. And this one, I didn't attach it. I'm going to show you what I did to the other one. So you have this cute little box that you could put goodies in. Happy Meal, chocolate, whatever. And then it closes like that. And I've added a Velcro dot. And I think it looks super, super cute. And then, of course, I added my little Helga because she's adorable. Look how cute. So that's one. And then the next one, put that one there. The next one I did kind of simple, just so you can see the layering piece. Again, this is the zipper. This is from my stash, but I think they also sell these. But look how cute it is with the layering piece. And this is a little flower from my stash. Again, I added a little Velcro dot. And then this one, I glued the box. So open it and add your little goodies. I like that when you close it, it has that little notch, and this piece is closed, so nothing's gonna really come out. And then here we go. So freaking cute. Like, picture a little girl's party and they all have their own little purse with goodies. I think it's adorable. I love it. This is definitely one of my favorites. Definitely a must-have in your stash. So I hope you guys like it. And again, super, super easy to put together. Okay, guys. Bye.